Okay, we're hiking the Osceola Mountain Trail today. We're walking along on Bread Tray Ridge, heading to Mount Osceola. I'd never heard of this one. Anyway, it's so pretty. Okay, I think this is the summit approach of Osceola. Okay, we're at the summit of Osceola. There are the tri-pyramids. And here, the next tall peak is going to be Chicora. We're heading down off of Osceola, East Osceola. Okay, we descended the chimney cutoff. We didn't really want to do the real chimney. But here we are approaching East Osceola. This is East Osceola, and basically a viewless summit. However, we're gonna go see the view. Oh. This is the viewpoint near East Osceola. Not that amazing. Okay, this is the Osceola chimney. We're gonna do that now. And this is the alternate route. So we made it up the chimney. Just gonna show you what it's like from the top. Pretty. We're descending off of the Osceola.